capital of Slovenia, Ljubljana is one of Europe's greenest and most livable cities. It is also one of the most accessible cities in Southeast Europe. 3 years ago, it received a special mention for transportation in the second edition of the Access City Award. In the last 20 years, the city has made enormous progress in the effective inclusion of persons with disabilities and the elderly. The old city has been adapted to ensure unrestricted access to the streets. The areas between cobblestones have been filled in, curbs have been dropped, and ramps installed. The city's most visited tourist site, the famous Ljubljana Castle, can be accessed by a tourist train with a ramp for wheelchair access. In the castle courtyard, there's a tactile model of the castle with descriptions in Braille. Ljubljana may be a city which has just celebrated its 2000th anniversary, but it has thoroughly modernised itself to meet the accessibility needs of all its citizens.